guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to start with a very easy chapter, that is surface areas and volumes. And you have already studied some small chunks of this chapter already in your 8th and 7th standard. So this is going to be super easy. And also this chapter is only formulas, nothing else. You just need to keep revising these formulas so you'll get a hang of it, and whenever you need it you can apply these formulas. So let's begin. Now here we have our first shape, that is cuboid. Okay, cuboid is nothing but a 3D rectangle. Okay, and now total surface area. The formula, first formula is total surface area. That is going to be in small TSA. So remember never to use the full form, only use this because it is really time consuming if you write the whole thing. Okay, now the total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay, now the curved surface area, or you can say lateral surface area. Now sometimes students only learn curved surface area and forget about the lateral surface area, or some do the opposite. Now it is important for you to learn both of them, curved as well as lateral surface area, and these are in short form CSA or LSA. In exam they might give the same question, but they might change these two. In one question it may be curved surface area and in another lateral surface area. So this is made to confuse you. Now curved surface area is 2 length plus breadth into height. Okay, this is the formula. Now the diagonal of a cuboid is given by the formula root L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, this is the formula. You just need to add them, take the square and add length, breadth and height, then put a root over it. So this must be fairly easy to remember. Now if we look at the volume, which is really important, now I will do it with green pen. This is important. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, always remember length into breadth into height. It's very easy. Okay, now let's see our cube. This is our second figure. Now cube is really easy. Okay, it's like a piece of cake. Now the total surface area is going to be 6a square. Curved surface area or lateral surface area. So for this session I'm only going to use curved surface area, not the lateral surface area, but I have already cleared curved and lateral, both are the same thing. Okay, so don't get confused. Now the curved surface area is 4a square and volume is equal to a cube. Very easy. But sometimes students may interchange the curved surface area and lateral surface area. Oh sorry, not lateral surface area, total surface area. Okay, so be very cautious while remembering these formulas. Now I won't be telling you the length of diagonal or the sum of length of edges. Those two formulas are not important. Okay, because in exam they are not going to ask these questions based on length of diagonal or sum of length of edges. They are going to ask mainly these three formulas: total surface area, curved surface area and volume, and this applies to every single shape. Okay, now let's look at cylinder, a right angled cylinder. Now in my experience, a right angled cylinder is actually the toughest one to learn in this one. But if you like revise regularly, it's going to be a piece of cake for you as well. Now the lateral surface area or curved surface area, actually I said that I'm going to use curved surface area only, it is 2 pi r h. Okay, so now you must be wondering where did the r go and all that. So here, this distance you can see it is r. Okay, height is here, you can see it, right? This is height, and you know pi. Now I'm going to write this. Pi value is 22 by 7 and 3.14. Okay, sometimes you may need to use 3.14 or 22 by 7, but in most cases it is 22 by 7 only. Now the total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r. Okay, and the volume is equal to pi r square h. Right. Now, according to my experience, they only ask mostly like in questions this right circular cylinder, and a right circular cone. Okay, a right angled cone. Sorry. So you need to focus on these 3 or 4 shapes because they are going to be asked the most. And this right circular cone, right circular cone is actually in some books is not included for 9th standard syllabus, but it is included in 10th. So according to that, this shape is really important. Okay, I'm going to mark it important because this shape is both in 10th standard and 9th standard. Sorry, sometimes it's not in 9th standard. Now the total surface area of a cone is pi r l plus r. Okay, now you must be wondering where did the L come? It should be H, right? So you see this slant height, this one. This one is called length. Okay, or you can call it slant height as well. Now, height is actually here. This one is height. And here is our radius. Now, if you imagine, if we don't focus on the 3D image and all, you will see that it is a right circular cone. Okay, this part. It is a right circular cone. That's why we have hypotenuse, which is L. Now the lateral surface area is equal to pi r L, and the volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now if we come to sphere, this is the most easiest because the lateral surface area, curved surface area is 4 pi r square. Right, you must be thinking that what's so easy about this one, right? Now the curved surface area is also 4 pi r square. See, these two are same. That means if you learn just one, you can know the other. And the volume is also really easy. It is 4 by 3 pi r square. Sorry, pi r cube. Okay, sometimes students make mistake over here because of the flow. Okay, because curved surface area and total surface area both are in square, because of that they also write a square instead of a cube. That is why they make mistakes in questions. Although this one is very easy, don't forget that on volume questions are asked and you may write square instead of cube here. So make sure of that you don't make such mistakes. And now we have our last figure, that is hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere. sphere. Hemisphere is really easy, just like the sphere. Now, if we take the total surface area, it is 3 pi r square, and the lateral surface area, sorry, curved surface area is 2 pi r square. See, this is the difference. If you just observe it closely, you will see that there's a lot of similarity. You can remember curved surface area by just subtract 1 from 3 pi r square. You will get 2 pi r square. That is curved surface area. And the volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, pi r cube. Important. Even here, this one's important because I have seen a lot of students making this kind of mistake. Okay, you might be in your flow, your paper must be going really well, but don't get too excited because you can make such silly mistakes and lose a ton of marks. And that is what will separate you from toppers and high scorers. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe my channel to get more content from me. Bye bye. Thank you.